Hi, my name is Mahesh and I am a co-founder of a fintech startup called Kievanos. I started this YouTube channel to showcase our product and how I am using it personally to buy and sell stocks. Just to give you a quick update on my portfolio, I just placed a sell order for a stock which I'm waiting to get filled, and I will probably share that in my next video. In today's video, I wanted to talk about how most of the investors behave, and most of you can relate to it, and I was no exception to it. I'm still trying to get better. Before I get into this video, I just want to mention that I am not an investment advisor, so please do not take what I'm saying here, talking here, as an investment advice. So let me just open this image here. Imagine this is a price chart of a stock, which it isn't. It's just a sine wave. So what happens, let me see if I can draw here. Okay. So what happens is there is a behavior in the market where most of the investors out there, they want to buy a stock which is running up, and this is the most common behavior I have seen. Fear of missing out. Tesla is running up or some other company is running up. They don't want to miss that uptrend, so they would buy. Some of them may buy here. Great, price is going up, but the problem comes is you do not have a visibility into the future, how high it is going to go up. So for those who will buy somewhere around here, and you will see that there are plenty of them, who will probably buy here or even here, and just to see their prices going down after they buy. And then what happens is when they start seeing that prices are going down, they panic and sell. This is just a human behavior. Most of us are scared of that. They see a red day, they see that their portfolios are going down, they will sell. That should not be the case. Ideally, you should be looking to buy in this zone and sell in this zone. And again, you are not gonna get the perfect price, right? If you buy it here, that would be ideal. I would love that, but that is not the case. So again, you should be looking to buy when the prices are low. You should of course you need to look into some other stuff as well when you are doing your research. And then when the prices are going up, you should be very careful. Actually, you should be making sure that you take your profits, right? You take your profits, and if you still want to be in that company just because you believe in that company, that's great. You keep some money in there, and you take some profits. So it's all about, in the end, taking some profits, making your portfolio grow, right? So few things that you have to remember. You cannot truly predict the price of a stock. And if someone is claiming that they can predict the price of stock, then I would say that they have built a time machine, because the price of a stock depends on so many things, which are not just the historical price action. It's based on the current economic conditions, company's underlying health, how that particular sector is behaving, what other analysts are talking about that particular company, and so many other factors. I mean, there's no way that you can truly predict the price of the stock. But what you can do is try to identify, is it a good buying zone? I'm saying buying zone. Is it a good price point to enter into this stock? Making sure the company is healthy enough, and it can grow from that point onwards. So that is how you need to think. One thing you have to remember: markets are going to give you what markets are going to give you. So you cannot extract more from it. So let me come here. You look. This is just a price chart of S&P 500, and this is for year 2020. let's say you are invested in S&P 500, and around end of February, March, the market started to tank. What happens is, most of the advisors that you see out there, by the way, I love advisors. I mean, they're great. And by no mean I'm an expert. I'm just telling the general market behavior. So what I was seeing, that most of them were advising, okay, if your goals has not changed, you should not be selling. But what happened is the market tanked almost 40%. It was a big drawdown event this year. And in my opinion, if there is a way to not predict, if there is a way to see upcoming drawdown event, you should be looking to either take the profits or rebalancing your portfolios. So let's go back to the software that we have built. Okay. So by the way, the good news is we are going to make it available for all the individual investors. We are going to start a pilot program in probably within a month. So if you are interested in getting access to this software, please leave a comment, like the video, reach out to me, and I'll make sure that you get the access. So you look at the S&P 500, you see this big drawdown event. It started to going down, and this red zone is here, and if you have not seen my old videos, what these blue lines and red lines are, these are heat map. These are outlier positions. Red means a good opportunity to buy a stock. The blue line means you should be looking to either reduce your position or sell. And this chart is basically close price for the stock, for in this case S&P 500. So here what you see here is, I was talking about those buying zones. Our goal was, when we built this software, hey, can we identify those buying zones and those selling zones, right? So that's what we kept in mind. We worked hard from last half a decade to build this where we are today, and I want to provide the access to this software to you guys. All you need to do is let me know, and once it is available, it probably will be available within the next 3 to 4 weeks, and I will let you know. And we are starting this pilot program free of cost. And you may ask why? Because right now we are a startup, we are a new company, we have to build a trust, and we want to showcase our product. We want to make sure that you use it, you trust it. So that's why we are starting with this pilot program. So let me know, guys, if you need the access. Leave a comment, like the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. In my channel, I usually go over how I buy and sell stocks using this software that you see in front of you. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.